There are many children in many countries who don't have access to the Bible, like our children. So parents and grandparents, aunts, uncles, encourage them to read it because there are lots of children who don't have access to Bibles. This quarter, in a country that could not be named in our publication, many children will receive a Bible as part of their studies that they're currently enrolled in. They will be taught how to find the most important text in the Bible, and then they will be allowed to take the Bible home to share it with their parents. Amen? I think that's a wonderful program. So as these children share what they know about God, hopefully and prayerfully their parents will respond and they will want to come and know him as well. So let's welcome Miss Sabine and her class.
Happy Sabbath, everyone. Well, usually when 13th Sabbath rolls around, our class comes and we talk about what we've learned and PowerPoints or the power text that we talked about during the quarter. But this time we wanted to do something a little different, and we wanted you to know a little bit about us. So today the kids are going to tell you more about themselves and their favorite Bible verses. They're a little shy, so I'm going to start, okay? I'm more than 13, and one of my favorite Bible verses is Proverbs 3, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all thy might, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he will direct thy path.
Hello, my name is Joseph Thomas. I'm 12 years old. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name. Psalm 103, verse 1.
Good morning. I am Thomas Almeida, and I am going to say Psalms 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want.
Amen. Good morning. My name is Gabby, and I'm 14.
And I'm Marco, and I'm 11.
And we like the same Bible verse, and it's Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me.
Happy Sabbath. My name is Christopher Marquez. I'm 13, and I'm going to repeat Joshua 24, verse 15. As for me and my house, we will worship the Lord.